Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Watts Wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on your device and log in using your credential. Now, go to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, navigate to Manage Wallet option. Now you can see Watts Wallet option. Click on it and you can rename the wallet from here. After that, on the second field you need to enter the public key, which is the EVM key, Tron, or public address, which is of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash or account XPub key. Type in the public key here and click on Watts button. Now choose the blockchain you want to watch by simply clicking on the toggles, which is at the right hand side of your screen. After that, click on Watts button. Here you can see that the Watts wallet has been added. So that is how you can watch wallet in Unstoppable Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.